The TEK4 eSTEM machine is the latest generation of our STEM machine. It encompasses world-leading performance and capability, specifically developed for drilling very long holes in IGT blades, vanes, segments and other components. The TEK4 eSTEM utilises the specialised electrochemical process of stem drilling, shaped tube electrochemical machining. Nitric acid is pumped through long Teflon-coated titanium tubes with large electrical currents to remove material and components in a very accurate way. Stem drilling is most often used when very long, small diameter holes are required in a part. The TEK4 eSTEM user interface is specifically designed for this application and has a distinct process fingerprinting. This is the sum of all the process variables. By graphing this process, improvements can be easily made and the acid delivery and current can be easily controlled. Turbulated holes for increased cooling efficiency can also easily be programmed and implemented. The machine is made entirely out of stainless steel for ease of maintenance and longevity. An integrated in-machine acid system is provided to eliminate the problems of acid leaks, ensuring that if any future leaks were to occur, these would be contained within the machine structure. The working area is large, allowing for simultaneous machining of multiple large components.